In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Jira dark mode, offering a full preview and guide to ensure that your viewing experience is more comfortable and easy on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Transitioning to a dark theme can not only reduce eye strain but also give your Jira interface a sleek and modern look. Let's dive right into the process. First, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your Jira interface. This icon serves as the gateway to your settings, and it might resemble a cogwheel, symbolizing all things customizable and adjustable within Jira. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu presenting you with multiple options, but for now, turn your attention to the General Settings option. Once you've selected General Settings, you'll be taken to a page that offers various personalization possibilities to tailor your experience just the way you like it. Here, navigate to the Theme section. It's here that the magic happens. This section is pivotal as it dictates the overall appearance of your interface. Now within the theme section, you'll observe a few different options available to you. The choices might include options like light, dark, and match browser. Each selection allows you to customize your user experience in a way that best suits your needs and preferences. If you're a fan of dark mode, like many of us are, you'll want to go ahead and select the dark option. By doing so, you enable the dark theme across your Jira interface. What's particularly fascinating about this setup is that there's even more flexibility offered through the match system option. This setting cleverly adjusts your Jira theme to automatically align with your operating system's theme. So, if your computer is set to dark mode, Jira will automatically switch to dark mode as well. This seamless integration ensures that your interface remains consistent with your overall device settings, which can be especially useful if you switch between themes regularly. Enabling dark mode is a simple process that can make a big difference in how you interact with Jira, providing a more visually appealing and comfortable experience. It's a straightforward way to improve your workspace and take control of your viewing preference with just a few clicks. So next time you're working late or just prefer a darker ambience, remember how easy it is to transition to the dark side and enjoy the benefits of reduced glare and a more immersive experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy customizing your Jira experience, and see you in the next video.